If your Ram ProMaster's Apple CarPlay keeps dropping out mid-drive, you're not alone, and the fix is usually simpler than you think. Statistically, over 85% of connection drops are caused by a faulty or non-certified lightning cable rather than the van itself. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where your connection is failing. Start with the basics by cleaning your charging port and performing a fresh handshake between your phone and the Uconnect system. Hidden software settings like screen time restrictions or active VPNs are often the silent killers of a stable CarPlay link. Keep an eye on physical hardware issues like a loose dash port or an overheating phone sitting in direct sunlight. If your physical port is failing, many ProMaster owners switch to a wireless adapter to bypass the cable issues entirely. As you can see, a simple high-quality cable swap solves the majority of these frustrating disconnection problems. If software is the culprit, a soft reset of the Uconnect head unit can clear out the bugs without losing your settings. Always stick to original cables and keep your phone updated to ensure the best compatibility with your ProMaster. Remember, check your physical connections before assuming there is a major fault with your van's computer system. With these steps, your ProMaster should keep the tunes and maps running smoothly, safe driving out there.